Yeah, that's right. She's making out with a hammer. What is the deal? Stop making out with a hammer. Ugh, Chi. See, this is what I have to deal with every single day. Illogical cat. What are you doing? I'm gonna take it away from her. Let's see what she does. Hey, I'm gonna take away the hammer. You're gonna take it. Oh, no, you don't. Do you want to leave it here? Is that better for you? Yeah. The hammer? No, maybe she's given up. I don't know. Do you feel like you're being watched? Yeah, I get that sometimes too. Good, she stopped. I solved the problem. Yeah.